Wes Fryer. It is November the 16th, 2022, and it's about, what, 5 o'clock? I don't know, 5:30? Yeah, 5:45. And I'm home from school, and I'm gonna make some black-eyed pea supper soup. This is a family favorite, and it's so fast and easy. I'm kind of surprised I haven't shared it before, but it comes from Carol Clark, who is the wife of our former pastor in Manhattan, Kansas at First Presbyterian Church, Cree Clark. Oh my gosh, that goes back, way back to like the early 80s. But it was a recipe in the cookbook that my mom gave me when I actually graduated college and was living on my own, cooking on my own. So let me show you the recipe, or just like the ingredients, and then I'm gonna put it together. And I don't know, I don't have a tripod, so I'm not gonna be able to show the entire cooking process. But this is so easy. It's amazing, and I do this in the crock pot usually, but I don't have time today. It's no problem. It's easy to put together fast. So here we go. All right, so I'm gonna start off with my Dutch oven here, and got it on about medium heat. I'm gonna chop up some onions that I'm gonna put in and saute. Then I'm going to, you can take half a pound. I like to just go ahead and use a whole pound of Jimmy Dean sausage. The main ingredients are black-eyed peas. A lot of times I'll just use plain black-eyed peas, 3 of these. But anyway, I've got 3 different kinds. We're gonna put those in with the juice. I'm gonna go ahead and put some fire roasted garlic hunks in there. And then I've got some oregano and rosemary that I'm gonna season it with. I think that I'll actually put some garlic in. Ta-da! And I like to use minced garlic, so I didn't put that out there, but I'll put some more garlic in, and then we're just gonna basically cook that for a while and let that warm up, and it's gonna be awesome. obviously now you've seen we've got the sausage and onion, and actually I put a jalapeno in, which you don't have to do, but it'll make it a little bit more spicy. All that sauteed, cooked. I don't usually actually use fresh rosemary and oregano, but I did tonight. So usually I use powdered. So all we're gonna do now, we got the cornbread in. Jiffy cornbread is the best. Corn muffin mix actually, and the cast iron skillet. Something is so good about having cornbread in a cast iron skillet. So now we just need to dump the 3 cans of black eyed peas in, and I'm gonna do some fire roasted diced tomatoes too, and put a little garlic. And then we're just gonna let this thing cook for, I mean, it could cook all day, but we're gonna let it cook about, 20 or 30 minutes, and that should be fine. It's ready. So that is so easy, and this is an awesome one, like I said, to do in the crock pot. You can cook it all day on low, but not a really big deal. I mean, I think I cooked it about an hour, but you can cook it even longer, and it just can't be beat. Black-eyed pea supper soup. If you cook this, let me know. You can follow links for my cooking channels on going to wesfryer.com/after. Enjoy.
Still have cornbread on your lip.
The cornbread is now off my lip. All right, I just debated whether we needed to do a tasting. Everyone else said no, but I'm doing it anyway. The sweetness. My family makes fun of me. The sweetness of that cornbread, Jiffy, man, it's amazing. Sarah says she prefers having the powdered rosemary and oregano. So maybe that is a little bit better because it's not so chunky, but it's amazing.